So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add social media share buttons to your Wix website. So first of all, you'll have to come on this website called elfsight.com and go for widgets, and now go for social media buttons. Now you just have to click on create widget, and here we are guys. You can see a bunch of template options. You can choose whichever you like, and now after choosing it, click on continue with this template. And guys, you can also put your links here and customize your template however you like. After customizing it, click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up for an Elfsight account, and after signing up, you just have to click on this save button. Now choose this subscription and click on this code to copy it. Now come to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements. Now click on embed code and click on embed HTML. Now click on this box, paste the code you have just copied, and now click on update. And as you can see guys, the icons are here of the social media share buttons. So if you find this video interesting and helpful to yourself, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.